So right now we're inside. I'll give you a little context. So we're outside. That's the back corner of kit. We're coming down and around. And inside. Now you're inside kit. And there's these little loops, and these control the flow of our cables. So we have one right here. There's one on each of the four corners. So maybe you can see. Yes, you can kind of see the second one right here, over on the corner. And then, see if we can get the last one in frame. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right there. So, and then there's one more, but again, not that big a deal. Just wanted to give you an idea. So here's this one, and this is what we're talking about. So let's just take this out real quick. And so I put this into the back screw hole. There's screw holes that are made for the casters, and so on the top I just use those holes and a M5, the smaller of the two screws, fits well to keep all this in place. So give you a look. That's what we're working with here. So you just open that up. So if you don't have, well, here, let me get the screw out real quick. So, kind of at an angle, but yeah. So these are what they're going to control some of the wires from the router to the modem, or just any kind of cabling that you have on the side or the top. The flat cables will go underneath your server, so this is just kind of for extra cables and in the future. So something to keep in mind. But that's there. Alright, let's stop that.